Yeah, man! Hello! My name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you peach passion orange juice drink. We're using oranges, peach, passion fruit, sugar, lime, and water. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Use 6 ordinary size oranges. I'm using 9 small oranges. Oranges should weigh 2 pounds. Peaches weighs 1 pound. 3 passion fruits weigh half pound. Now, get a bowl. Add water. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Next, wash the peaches fruits first. And then give fruits final rinse. Wash oranges clean. Use your fingers and rub the skin of the orange clean. Do this for all the oranges. Give oranges final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Use your fingers and rub the skin of the fruits clean. Wash the skin of the lime clean. Wash the passion fruits clean. And then give fruits final rinse. Now that the fruits are washed and clean, get a separate bowl to put the peeled fruits in and a separate bowl to put the trash in, the waste. Next, prepare the fruits, starting with the peaches. Peel peach fruits thin to the skin. Peel peaches. Look for spoilage, trim, abrasions. After that, use a sharp knife. Cut peach fruit in half. Just cut it to split it. Remove the fruit's seed. Scrape away the redness in the middle. Scrape it off. We are only using the fruit. When you're finished, pour water on the fruit. Use your fingers, rub out the middle. Try and get rid of most of the redness in the middle. Give the fruit a final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Put cleaned and prepared passion fruit aside for later. This next part is labor intense. Take your orange or lime, place it on a chopping board, use a sharp knife, cut orange in half. To remove the juice, get one of these squeezing gadgets. Put the orange on the squeezing gadget. Place the skin side of the orange in the palm of your hand and then put the cut side of the orange on the squeezing gadget. Press down like you're boring a 1/4-inch hole. Rotate cut orange right and left, back and forth, juicing the orange. Go through patiently and do this for all the oranges. If you have an electric orange squeezer, that would be best. If you don't have an orange squeezer, cut the orange like you would a lime. Use your hands and fingers and squeeze out the juice like you would a lime. A third way is to peel the orange. Peel the orange in such a way that you're going to peel off the white part and leave just the orange together. Then once you peeled the orange, put the peeled orange in water. Use your fingers and kind of break it down and work it out. And after that, you strain it. That's a third way to get out the juice out of the orange. Pour it into the bowl. Through a fine mesh strainer. Go through patiently. Do this for all the oranges until you're finished. Do this however way is comfortable for you. At the end of the day, juice oranges. Once the tray is filled with pure orange juice, pour it into the bowl. When you're finished, use a spoon. Press oranges, fiber and seed down on the strainer. Releases and drain remaining orange juice. Do this several times until it's not draining juice. Put orange juice aside for later. Next, get a big enough bowl. Measure and add 4 cups water. Cut passion fruit in half. Use a spoon. Remove the seeds from the inside and put it in the water. That's where the juice is. This one is young. Nevertheless, this one is better. Do this until you're finished. Get a separate bowl. We are using a fine mesh strainer. To get the juice off the passion fruit seeds, place it over the bowl. Pour this passion seed that's in the water through the strainer. Use a wooden spoon. Stir it. Separate the juice from the seed. Do this a few times. By rotating the spoon in a circle, go round and round. Stir it round and round, bursting the juice that's around the seed. Rinse off the seed in the bowl of water. You want to get all this juice now. Continue doing this until you are not seeing juice draining. That is how you separate the juice from the passion seeds. Now in a separate bowl, strain it. Use the wooden spoon, rub it a few times. Finish. There's no more juice to drain. Throw this away. Get your blender ready. Ensure the blender's jar is on properly. Add 3 cups of this passion juice and water into the blender. Put peach fruit pieces in the blender. Use the lid, seal it properly. Blend 1 minute on high speed. While waiting for blender, measure 1 cup and a half sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Put it aside for later. After time, turn off blender. The aroma of the peaches blend with the water is nice. Pour blended juice through strainer in the bowl with the remaining passion water. Pour small amount water in blender, removing remaining juice. Use wooden spoon. Rub it on the bottom of the strainer. Rotate it in a circle. Separates the fiber from the juice, draining remaining juice. Don't drain the fiber. Throw this away. Wash the strainer clean. Now in a clean separate bowl, strain mixture 2 or 3 times. Just do this a few times. You don't want the fiber in the juice. Good enough. Finish. Throw this away. Don't use the spoon this time. Throw this away. Next, combine all ingredients. Add orange juice. Add sugar. Pour 1 cup water into the cup with the sugar, removing the remaining sugar. So in all, we use 6 cups of water. Add lime juice. We used 6 limes, which is equivalent to 6 tablespoons of lime juice. Use wooden spoon. Stir in ingredients thoroughly. Stir in until you feel no more sugar grain on the spoon that's in the drink. Although the recipe is a certain thing. Taste it to see if it's sweet enough to your liking. For another drink, use a half-inch piece ginger. To store this Peaches Passion orange juice drink, pour it in a jar. Use the lid, cover it properly. Put it in the refrigerator between 5 days only. However, pour it in a container, seal it tight with a lid. Or pour it in a bottle like I am, seal it properly, freeze it up to 6 months or more. This drink is sweetened perfectly. However, if you want a fresher drink, first pour half the amount in water on the drink. Taste it. See if it's fresh enough for your liking. If it is still sweet to you, add the remaining half in water on the drink. Serve this drink on the rocks. It's best served cool. This is Peach Passion Orange Juice Drink. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe, subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this drink yourself. Give us feedback when you do. This drink is refreshing. This is a delicious citrus drink. It tastes like a refreshing drink. Great for summertime. Next time you mix this drink, add small piece ginger. That will complement this Peach Passion orange juice drink more. I am thinking grapefruit. The combined mixture of this drink flavors grapefruit to me. Until next time, later. Keep safe. Yeah, man.